nests. All right, it's TV night. Yeah! It's time for the show, yay! Aristotle's gotta be in the top 3 coolest blue mooses ever. What the what?
Is something wrong?
Must be the antenna. Fear not, Bucky's on the case.
Is it fixed yet? Aw, what a sweet little pink birdie.
What? It isn't sweet, it's messing up my TV. Oh, I know. I have an excellent brain. And there. Don't worry, Miss Birdie. Just a friendly bear. Please come here, bird. I don't bite. Whoa. Yeah, that's my head. Okay. Whoa! Ow.
Bucky! The bird's not hurt, right?
You're worried about the bird?
Oh, she's just the cutest little thing. Ooh, look at her climb.
Yeah, I'll be just fine. Thanks for asking. Huh?
Don't you see what's going on here? That bird thinks that your antenna is a tree of some kind. You silly bird. A nice tree in the forest is the place for you. Come with me and we will see if we can find the perfect tree where you'll be happy as can be, living life and flying free. So, this is your new place. Enjoying all of nature's wonders. Chirp your chirps, eat countless fresh worms. Birdie, hey, where are you going? So does this mean you didn't like my poem? Well, she's back. She must really like your antenna.
I have a great idea. We'll build her a birdhouse. This is great. We'll build a super modern nest with air conditioning and a hot tub.
Ahem. Just stop. This bird doesn't want a super modern nest-o-matic. She needs a regular, normal, cozy nest, and that's all.
Nah, modern house.
A simple nest. You're wrong. Please interfere with the birdie's life carefully, guys.
She's gonna love my super modern birdhouse.
She's gonna love my nest.
Birdhouse.
Nest. And here we go. That looks good. Take a look at this, birdie. Doesn't it look like a lovely home? Nest, sweet nest.
Whoa! Welcome to your lovely new home. Complete with elevator, air conditioning, sun terrace, satellite TV, 4 separate rooms, and a swimming pool. Super modern birdhouse.
Nest. Ample fresh food just waiting for you to eat.
Your own refrigerator.
Made with all natural materials.
Big screen TV and stereo.
Breathtaking vistas.
Insulated bay windows.
As sturdy as the tree it's built on. Whoa!
Built to last a lifetime.
Modern birdhouse? Ha! You know, guys, it kinda looks like she prefers the antenna.
Fine. If you like the dumb antenna so much, well then you can just sit in it all you want. Birds. Yeah!
Hurry up, Bucky. The next episode's already starting.
All right, it's TV night! Finally. Oh, come on! Are you kidding me?
Wait, where's Chicky gone?
What's wrong with it now? This is very unacceptable. Chicky, seriously? Great, there's a bird playground on my roof. Hope you're having fun up there. Okay, this is kind of adorable. Fine.
Well, Bucky, I guess this means you'll need to build another new antenna now. Maybe a squirrel will move into the next one. Ooh, or a bunny. a real ninja.
Good morning, Bjorn. Whoa! What's the deal with your leg? Trying to stick your toe in your ear or something?
I'm practicing powerful Eastern martial arts.
That is fancy.
I want to become a real live grizzly belt. Someday, maybe I'll even become a ninja. The ninja were great legendary ancient warriors who, with one mighty blow, could break wooden boards in half.
No way! I've always dreamed of becoming an ancient warrior. Forget wooden boards. Watch me split this whole tree with one mighty whack. Hi-ya! Ow!
What are you doing, Bucky? Did you hurt yourself? Do I need to remind you about your limits again?
I wanted to split this tree in two just like a ninja.
Well, maybe this kind of tree just isn't ninja-friendly.
So that's it. What I need is the right kind of tree. Time to be an awesome ninja! I'm not sure I could split this post with a single hit. It's clearly not ninja-friendly, but I can teach it to be. Just gotta work up a lesson plan. No, not these. No, junk. Even more no. There we go. Feel friendly now? Now that's more like it. Yeah! With my sweet chainsaw sword, I'll be the greatest ninja in the world. Vanquishing evil, slicing trees, the greatest ninja ever. He's Bukai! 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 Boo 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 boo! Kai 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 kai! An awesome ninja guy!
For the first time ever, the amazingly awesome ancient ninja Bukai
We'll be demonstrating all his superfine skills at the clearing in the woods.
I'm just here for the popcorn.
Yeah, me too.
Welcome, friends! Franny, Bjorn, and other assorted admirers from around the world! I am the great ninja Bukai, zillionth level grizzly belt. I will now demonstrate my super amazing ninja skills!
This should be interesting.
Oh! Hey-ya!
Huh?
Dude, that was
Amazing!
You ain't seen nothing yet!
Bucky, that tree trunk seems too big. Are you sure about this?
Just relax. Bukai knows what he's doing. Ninja time!
Should I just go ahead and call a doctor now?
Thank you! Thank you very much!
Bucky, what's happening?
I might have gone a bit too far with my chainsaw sword. Technically, I did do all of this with just one kick.
Hey, Ninja Bucky, look out!
Bucky!
A true ninja knows when to run away.
Whoa!
I will now demonstrate my ninja escape the falling tree skills.
Tell me, just what have you done, Bucky?
I wanted the trees to be ninja-friendly, but they turned out to be ninja-unfriendly. Uh-oh, this looks like a good spot for an ambush. Very bad. Even worse.
She surprises and shocks as she knocks off blocks. Yeah, she totally rocks. She's a ninja fox. Franny! Franny! Franny the fox! Franny.
What just happened? You're...
I'm a grizzly belt, but just third degree. Do you want lessons, guys?
Hoo, ha, hoo, ha! Is that technique or what? Hoo, ha, hoo,
It's
ha!
nice. We've got a real ninja teacher now.
Hey, Franny, when will we be able to chop through bricks?
It's Master Franny. Now keep practicing.
Yes, Master Franny. Vanquishing evil, slicing trees, the greatest ninja ever. She's... Franny? That fierce little fox totally rocks.
The Secrets of Magic. Hey, Bucky. What you doing?
I'm fixing my Remind-O-Matic.
Bucky, can I do some cool magic for you?
That sounds fun.
All right, now, just think of a number between 1 and 10, and I'll guess your number.
Okay, thought of one.
You're thinking of a number?
Yes.
I'm contacting the Mystical Magic Trickopedia. 1, right?
Nope.
Right, that was just a test. It was 2.
Not even close.
Hey guys, what's happening?
Then you must be thinking of the wrong number.
It must be your trick that's wrong, not my number.
My trick is fantastic. I can totally see inside your mind. It's called telepathy. Pretty fancy name, right?
Do you happen to know what the date is today?
It's the 3rd. Ah, your number is 3.
Not 3.
Fellas, I mean, do you know what's happening today?
Of course I know what will happen today. Up north, we are all taught to correctly predict the future. I will now look into the future. I see Bucky working with time.
Time? You mean my Remind-O-Matic? That's not magic. I just told you I was fixing it.
Yes, but I saw it in the crystal ball, too. And now it says 4 is the number.
You're just guessing every number.
You mean you're not thinking of the number 4?
I'm not.
Well, I must have heard the crystal ball wrong. And now, here comes the big grand finale. But I'm going to need time to get ready for it.
You haven't even finished your first trick yet.
He looks like an alien bird lamp.
His hat looks like a deer's bottom.
Welcome, friends. Now then, Bucky, please select an object. And I, while blindfolded, will magically guess which one you picked. I'm seeing, it looks like a coat hanger. Wait, no, not the hanger. Nah, it looks like a cooking pot. Wait, no, a boot. It's a boot, right? The object you picked was the boot.
That's so awesome! That's just so awesome!
Impossible. How's it done? How'd you do it?
Telepathy, my friend.
Nah, it's a trick. What am I holding now?
I'm seeing, the hanger? The hanger!
Bjorn, why is your skirt thing peeping?
Well, I can assure you it isn't because Chicky's in it.
Oh, you're busted. It wasn't telepathy or whatever. Chicky was giving you the answer.
Well, so what? They're not called magic tricks for nothing. You couldn't do any better.
I could so.
But guys, have you really not heard what's going to happen today?
Well, duh. Today will be the big debut of the Great Buckdini. Abracadabra, alakazam. Who's the best magician in the world? I am. You won't believe the spells I weave, and all with nothing up my sleeves. Actually, I don't even have sleeves, but that's not important right now. He is quick and he is clever. He's the best magician ever. He's Buckdini, and he's as talented as he is humble. Here's my first trick. Magic-y words. Other magic-y words. You can cheer now.
Awesome! Awesome! Again, please!
Whoa, how did you do that?
Way cool!
Show it to us again.
Watch carefully. Magic-y words. Other magic-y words. Other magic-y words. Other magic-y words. All the magic-y words in the world! Ugh.
Uh-huh. That wasn't really magic at all. All you did was trick us.
Sound familiar?
Hey guys, let me try. I bet that I could do a mega super magic show for you.
Do you know any tricks?
Go for it. Blow our minds.
All right. Give me a few seconds to prepare. Watch this, magic boys. In 3, 2, and 1.
What's this? What's happening?
Not loving this trick.
Ah! How did you do that?
Why did you do that?
Bring back our sunlight!
All right, it's back. You can calm down, boys. Didn't you know that we were gonna have a solar eclipse?
Have a what?
Today was the day of the big, rare solar eclipse, where the moon passes in front of the sun and blocks it for a little while. I heard all about it on TV.
Franny, that was by far the best trick. Behold, the great Seesaw-dini!
Bucky, back there in your cabin, were you thinking of the number 5?
Nopey nope.
7 then? I know it was 7.
Nope, Baruni, not 7. Magic-y words. The number was 6.